Dawn breaks over a classified military airbase in the Pacific region.
For the past 72 hours, U.S. Marine Corps units have been placed on heightened alert status.
The mission is clear. Arm and prepare attack helicopters for immediate deployment.
Every detail matters. Every weapon must be mission ready.
The AGM-114 Hellfire missile is one of the most precise weapons in the American arsenal.
Each missile weighs over 100 pounds and costs nearly $200,000. But in combat, precision is priceless. These weapons can engage targets from over 5 miles away. With accuracy measured in inches, not feet.
The AH-1Z Viper is the Marine Corps' most advanced attack helicopter.
Capable of carrying up to 16 Hellfire missiles.
Along with rockets, guns, and advanced targeting systems.
Today's mission requires a full combat load.
The loading process begins with meticulous safety checks.
Every connection point must be verified.
One mistake could cost lives.
Martinez has performed this task hundreds of times.
But he treats each one like his first.
The missile must be aligned perfectly with the launch rail.
The cradle lifts the 100-pound weapon smoothly into position. Precision engineering meets human expertise. The mounting lugs must align within millimeters. A satisfying click confirms proper engagement.
But the work is far from over.
Each Hellfire requires multiple retention devices.
Electrical connections must be tested.
Communication between weapon and aircraft verified.
Green lights confirm the system is live.
One down, 15 to go.
The sun climbs higher as the work continues. Each missile is individually inspected before mounting. Serial numbers are logged and verified.
Chain of custody must be maintained.
The second missile moves into position.
The process is identical, but never routine.
Every weapon could make the difference in battle. Hours pass. The work is physically demanding.
But there's no room for fatigue-induced errors.
Marines are trained to push through exhaustion.
To maintain focus when it matters most.
The 7th missile slides smoothly onto the rail.
Each one bringing the Viper closer to combat readiness.
Somewhere across the ocean, adversaries are watching.
They're calculating, planning, probing for weakness.
But they won't find weakness here.
Every bolt torqued to specification.
Every safety pin accounted for.
But the mission timeline is non-negotiable.
The 11th missile locks into place. The opposite wing station now receives its deadly cargo.
Balance is critical for flight dynamics. Oh, the zone ready, more quick here, great.
Equal weight distribution ensures optimal performance.
The process is muscle memory now.
But muscle memory doesn't mean complacency.
Each weapon still receives his full attention.
The sun begins its descent toward the horizon.
Only 2 missiles remain.
The penultimate weapon moves into position. Hydraulics hiss as the cradle rises one more time. Click, lock, secure. One missile left. Martinez lifts the final weapon with the same care as the first.
This is what separates good from excellent.
This is what makes Marines different.
All 16 Hellfire missiles are now mounted. But the loading process isn't complete.
A final systems check must verify everything is ready.
All electrical connections confirmed.
All safety devices properly installed.
The Viper is combat ready.
And somewhere in the world, that matters.